Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mewgenics game lagging or stuttering low FPS freezing issue on PC. Let's find the solution. The very first method is to restart your PC and game. So click on the Windows icon over here. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, try to launch the game, or also suggested to restart your game once. So for that, you simply have to exit Steam and again launch Steam and again check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue continues, move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue continues, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back, type -windowed and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back and remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. Select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, then come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So you should always check if your graphics card is outdated, and as this is also another reason for the problem on the game. So it's suggested to check and update the card to avoid any kind of unwanted error. So just go to the search option. After that, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to lower graphics settings. So the Mewgenics game has different graphics settings on different devices. So when GPU error occurs, then you should lower the graphics quality to avoid the error. And then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, move to the next method. Next is to rename save data. For that, you have to first go to documents and then my games and select the Mewgenics folder. After that, search for this one, persistent game data 1.dat. And after that, you can take a backup of it and then rename the file extension to persistent game data 1.dat.old or any other. You just have to simply rename it, and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, move to the next method. Next, you check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So you can easily check if any update is available over here. You will find it here, an update option. Update your game and then launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So wait for some time, it may take some time. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game first. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. You simply have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to search for the game, whether it's listed, and after that click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After doing this, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates. This will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time, and after it is finished, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into Steam, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to reinstall Mewgenics game. So when the issue continues, then you should reinstall the game once, but before doing it, make sure to back up all the data and settings linked with this thing. After that, uninstall and again install the game to check if the error is fixed. So you can go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and again go to Steam, reinstall Mewgenics game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or launching or not.